be teaching you guys how to play guitar. How does that sound? I'm going to teach you guys the main 7 chords you really need to know. The main 7 ones. Start with A. You put your pinky right here on the 2nd string. Right here. 2nd one. Boom. Put your index finger, this string. That. Put index finger right here, pinky right here. Put your middle finger right here. And then you get an A. Usually what I always do is I usually use my finger and I point out that way because it gets that finger out of the way right there. If you do any sound with it, you can be like, here's B. Put your middle finger, this finger, right here. This finger, right here. So put middle finger, the fifth one. Put your index finger on the 3rd one. Put your pointer finger on the 4th one. It's right here. See, you always count up from down here. See, you don't count from up here. Count from down here. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You never count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You always count from the bottom. And that's what this one sounds like. I know it has like that funky noise, but that's how you know it's right. It has a funky noise. See that funky noise? That's how you know it's right. But that's B. C. This is C. Take your pointer finger, put right here on the second string, and you put your middle finger. You skip one. You skip the 3rd one. And put it on the 4th one, right there. Right here on the 4th one. Put your index finger right here on the 5th string. And it's like a ladder. You gotta climb it up. And that's C. Do anything with that too. C. Now you got A. Now, you gotta get D. Put your pointer finger right here on the 3rd string. So you put it right here, boom. Put this one, your middle finger, on the bottom string. That's the 1st string right here. Then you put your index finger on the 2nd string. And it should sound like this. It should sound like this. Now what you gotta remember about this one is that your 2 fingers right here are a hook. You right here, take this hook right here, put it right here, boom. You got that one, and then you just add this one right here. You just go boom, like that. Okay. Now we got A, B, C, and D. Now we got to go to E. E is kind of like B, but it's a little different. Take your middle finger and your index finger. Put them right here. So your middle finger is going to be on the 5th string. Your index finger is going to be on the 4th string. Then you take your pointer finger and you put this one right here on the 3rd string. And it should sound like this. Okay, now we got A, B, then we got C, now we got D, and then E. Now we're going to F. F, you put your finger right here on these two last strings right here. You cover both of 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 string. Put your finger right here at the tip of the guitar. Then you put this one. It's just like it's kind of like C, but it's different. Then you take this one right here, skip one, and you put it right here on the 3rd string. Your middle finger is on the 3rd string. Then you take your index finger, put it on the 4th string. It just sound like this, make a high pitched sound. That's what it sounds like. Yep, that's what it sounds like. And then you go to G. Then you go to G. G is this. You can either put your middle finger right here, or your pointer finger right here, and you take your index finger, put down here on the bottom. So your index finger is on number 1, the 1st string. Your middle finger is on the 6th string, and your pointer finger is on the 5th string. And it should sound like this. You can do the exact same G 2 different ways, whichever one is comfortable. You can do this one, or you can switch it and do this one. Put your index finger on the 6th string, your middle finger on the 5th string, and your pinky on the bottom string, the 1st string, and it still sounds the same, just like this. Now you got A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So again, that's A, B, C, D, E, and F, and G. How you do it, and the most important thing, when you're done playing with your guitar, you should always have a cloth or something to wipe your guitar down, because your sweat on your fingers will get under these strings. So you wipe your strings down, you leave any smudges on your guitar, you wipe your guitar down until the smudges are gone. Just like this. Take this little one, slide it under the guitar like this, slide it under the guitar, like that, lift it up, slide it up, and that gets the sweat under your strings. And then all you do is, it looks nice and dandy to you, then you're done. So you just take your guitar, put it on the stand right here, and everything. Oh! And this guitar pick right here is from the movie Tenacious D, The Pick of Destiny. Okay? I'll leave that link on the screen so you can get to it on Amazon and you can buy this pick. It's from the movie starring Jack Black. It's called Tenacious D, The Pick of Destiny. And this is the pick of destiny. I just thought it was cool and it looked all weird, and I never saw a pick like it, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to go on Amazon and try to find one, and I did. You get like 5 in a pack. It's about probably $4 probably. So, get them for a cheap price. Alright, see y'all. Hope you guys learned the guitar, and these aren't the only chords, but they're the main chords you need to know.